Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about something very important for English learner. So the thing is, grammar is important for speaking English. It is true that grammar is helpful, but it is not as much as important for speaking English. Why it is not as much as important for speaking English? So I will give you an example, then you can understand. The sentence is, I go to school yesterday. The sentence is wrong. I make mistake about grammar, but when I speak with someone, then he can understand my opinion, what I am saying. English is like that. Even the right sentence is, I went to school yesterday. This is the right sentence and this is the perfect sentence. When you write, then that time you can follow grammar rules like tense, verb, sentence formation. This is the main thing. Even at the beginning, you just clarify your pronunciation. Our pronunciation is not good when we are try to speak in English. Why our pronunciation is not good? That is the impact of mother tongue. Our mother tongue, in fact, that's why our pronunciation is not clear. You just focus on your pronunciation and speak fluently and confidently. This is the main thing. Even the native English speaker, when they are speaking English, they cannot use the perfect grammar. They cannot speak with perfect grammar. Even no one can speak with perfect grammar. Even if you have a lot of experience about grammar, that time you can speak with the perfect grammar. For English co-learner like me, you just expose your opinion what you are saying. When you expose your opinion, that time I can understand what are you saying. English is like that. It is true that grammar is important. Grammar is the main things of the any language. Even when we are children, we cannot use perfect vocabulary, perfect grammar. When our family member speak with us, we just capture the word what they are saying. We are speak in our breaking sound, and slowly we are gaining our knowledge about the language. When we speak in our family member in the native language, that time we cannot use the perfect grammar, even the perfect word. We just manifest our opinion. English is like that. You think that English is a language like Bengali, Hindi. When you think that English is a language, that time it is easy for you. And when you think that English is a subject, that time you have to follow like tense, grammar, especially grammar. Tense is the one the part of grammar, sentence formation, verb, so many things in the rules of grammar. Even at the beginning level, you just clarify your pronunciation.